everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and festive yarn ghost garland. For the materials, you'll need white yarn, scissors, something to wrap the yarn around, a permanent marker, and string. First, cut a small piece of yarn. Lay it on the platter or whatever you're using and start wrapping the skein of yarn around it. I did mine about 20 times. Then cut off the yarn. Tie the small piece around the wrapped yarn. Cut off the loop on the bottom. Then take another small piece of yarn and wrap it around the top to create a head. Continue this to make as many ghosts as you'd like. Then draw on the faces. After that, tie them on the string. Cut off the excess yarn. And that's it! This garland took me no time at all and it looks great with our Halloween decor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.